Hi, this is Ina with the InDe'B Quilt Shop, and I have a really fun summer pattern for you here by Lella Boutique. This is Scrappy Sunflowers. You may have seen this one. I have had my eye on it for a while, and we got enough of yellows and other colors in, and I thought, I'm going to make this one. This is really, really fun. So we have kits for it on our website. And so I just wanted to tell you a couple of things. One is, it's really fun to make these. Look how bright and fun and that quilt is. Just really nice and sunny. And we got enough yellows in. I did all the scrappy yellows for the sunflowers. It was really fun just to kind of pick and choose and put them however I wanted to do with that. And then I picked out the greens to go with it. Now, one thing that's different about the quilt that I made versus what Lella Boutique did, and so look at this one. She has different leaves with different stems. So they're scrappy, just like the flowers are. And I decided I didn't want to do that. I liked better just having like all the same leaves be with the same color stem. So if you choose to do it my way, you need to look at how many leaves there are for each of those stems. And you need to make them in the correct direction for that one stem, which is going to be, you make them in the same way she does, but you're going to make a different amount than what she has for each of those green leaves. The other thing too is when you go to put it all together, there is a top and a bottom. So you're going to put together the flowers all go together in one, and then the bottom all goes together. Make sure that you pull out the directions and that you look at that, because you might think, oh, I put this and this and this together, and then I add this to the top, and it doesn't always go that way. For example, this one here, you have part of these leaves that are on the same level as a part of these leaves. So you have to really look at which pieces go together there and in which order to make sure you get it, that it goes together really, really well and easy to do that. So again, you can find the kit on our website. And I hope that you will like this video if you watch it, and that you'll subscribe so that you can catch all of our new content as it comes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.